Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May all Almighty keep you and happy homes habited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to people in all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful keep for guys, so keep similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. Is you want to watch any videos related to visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such two clothes. So friends, today is video amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss you of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you and keep all kind of fashion designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. For watching, don't forget subscribe. I am very grateful the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care with remember and prayer, and bye.